You guys, I'm on my way back to get my U-Haul trailer. My hitch is in the back. Yeah, let's get it. Let's go back to Jacob's and check out my Neon, see where Jacob's at with it. That's like big, super sexy in there. So we're about 6 minutes away, you guys. County K, Route 18. County K, so weird, so different. I've never heard of something like that, but we are out in the country, guys, so everything is new to me. Mount Ida, unincorporated. From what Jacob tells me, that means there's not enough population to put a number on there. Tyler's Repair. I guess it's around back of the shop. Alright, I'm assuming that's it right there. Alright, this is pretty cool. I got to watch him right there, hooking up the trailer.
Well, I might have to switch you to a different one. The handle just broke off of that one.
You just said the trailer handle broke. I don't know exactly what he's talking about. Oh! That broke off. That is pretty much what I'll be trailering my Neon home on. Maybe this one or the other one that I was backing up to. And then I realized he was standing in front of this one. What's wrong with that one?
Probably nothing. She's gonna see if she can switch it. Okay.
Got one?
41.
Alright, that isn't that bad. We're just gonna hook up to the newer looking one, which is awesome. The fact that this truck has the backup camera capabilities and it already has the electrical makes it that much better. Let's see.
A newer trailer.
I know, that's what I was just saying. Yeah. Hold on, push up. You gotta pull that back. Yeah, there we go. So I'm good to go, huh? Yeah. I appreciate your help, dude. I'm gonna go and pull it out front. Alright guys, we are loaded up with the trailer. Now let's see if we can pull this out. Here we go. Alright, we gotta redo the paperwork. There it is, you guys. We're all hitched up. This is what we're gonna be trailering Lady in Red Lexi built home on. Now we are back on our way to Kinnettic Kreations in Bosco Bell, which isn't that far. Just arrived into Jacob's shop. That tan one right over here. I'm just gonna pull the truck out back. Oh my god, that was a process, man.
So was this model finally.
What? You like that battery tray? I made that out of angle iron.
I added some studs to it to hold the...
Oh, that is smart. That looks good.
Yep, so I got to run a cable from here to here to the alternator, here to the wall, here to the starter, here to the starter, and then here to the firewall. And our cables are done. I got this stupid loop underneath there. I got your things put back in.
Everything's cleaned out. Just gotta vacuum another day. Gotta put the driver's seat in. Steering columns back in. Jacob's finishing a couple of things up front. That's my old harness, interior harness. Got my radiator and fans. Gotta put those back in once he's done. Got my other wideband, Diablo. Take this. Alright, and this is what Jacob's doing. Wiring mess. That's what it looks like to me, at least.
Yep. I'm gonna drill some holes in here for a zip tie to hold this in this tray.
Looking so sexy, guys. Got everything new. Everything's new. New wires, new clips, new grounds, new positives. My intercooler. Wiring goes up in here, through there, and there's a hole. And then it goes up and under there. Gonna grab my phone, put the flashlight on, and show you guys what it looks like under here. See if I can show you. So that's the board, and PCM's located at the top, and then my fuse box is right there. And then we got one OBD2 here. We got the original one back over there. We got a flop box and 2-step. We got a harness coming here, and then he has to do that one wire right there. Comes back here, goes to the fuel pump, and the car is down right now, so I can't really jack it up and show you, but comes back here and goes to the passenger side tail light. Alright, and there's two more wires that he has to mess with. And that wiring comes back there, goes here, splits, and goes right over to the passenger side. All my gauges are hooked up, and he did the plumbing in the back of the dash right up there, which you guys can see with my stock boost solenoids. They're also bolted up, and then you got the plumbing hooked up to this plate right here in the back that he went ahead and made. What do you call those? Quick lines, right? Quick locks. The other part of the harness goes down to my speed sensor and my pressure sensor and cam. You got my coil pack, and then it loops over here underneath the intake. You got the throttle body, the cold pipe, all that wiring's new. Goes all up and under here, the knock, and then over to my custom battery tray that I'm actually spraying with some spray paint outside. He's gonna put that back up the way he wants it. And that's some wiring right there. All that brand new wiring. Love it.